Hi everybody, CANNABEARD Grows here. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Come on in, take a load off, relax. Let's chat for a minute. I would like to talk about probably the oldest, most recognizable cannabis cultivation company for lights and tents that's ever been. They're the big boys. We're talking about Marshydro right here. They are celebrating their 15-year anniversary. Holy crap, has it really been that long? Really? Wow. Feels like forever though at the same time. Feels like they've always been there. Marshydro has been around for, well, a long time. I've been personally connected and sponsored and in some sort of a partnership with Marshydro for over 5 years now and growing. Right on, right on. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's been a pleasure. It's been an absolute pleasure. I love growing with Marshydro gear. Why do I love growing with Marshydro gear? Because it's the best out there on the market. It's the flagships. It's the one that all the others copy. It's the best that there is. Come on, we all know it. They're the grandfather of grow gear, and they're still kicking hard and innovating hard. I absolutely love the current wave of gear that they're putting out right now. The new smart lights are phenomenal. They're the best lights that they've ever made, by far, by far. Well, we've come a long way since the days of the Burple lights. You remember Burple lights? Yeah! Nowadays with full spectrum, you don't need to switch anything. They're not as hard on the eyes. They're just set it and forget it these days. Some of the really good gears that they got going on right now is they got these wonderful new oscillating fans, which we're going to do a giveaway of. Just a second though. They got tents, they got lights, they got ventilation. There's some just grow gear, you know, they got it all, man. It's Marshydro. They've been around forever. Everybody copies them. There's been many, many companies that have copied what they do and tried to, you know, get success off of their coattails. We know it. I'm not going to get into that. That's not what this is about. This isn't about bashing others. This is about praising Mars and saying thank you for 15 years of service, and I hope we get another 15 years more. Yeah, awesome stuff. So I did mention a giveaway. I did. So what I'm going to do is we're going to give away one of those brand new oscillating fans. I love those things. No, it's not a light. No, it's not a tent. It's nothing huge, but it's something we all want. I want more of them myself. I almost wish I could enter because I want another one. I've got only one of them and I need more. They sell out fast. Regardless, what I'm going to need you guys to do is two things. You need to be following me as a channel, subscribed, right? And Marshydro's account. I'll pop it up right over here, or over here, whatever. I'll pop it up and make sure you're following both of these accounts. It's pretty simple. Now, what I need you to do is I need you to comment on any one of my videos. It doesn't matter. And yes, you can comment multiple times for multiple entries. I need you to comment the word Marshydro fan. All one word. This thing right here. Comment this. Say, I want the Marshydro fan. I could really use the Marshydro fan. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Good luck, everybody. So at the end of the month, I will do a drawing using random.org to find a winner from all the valid entries. And one final warning for anybody entering the contest: do not listen to the comment section. There's a real bad problem on YouTube with bots and scammers. So if somebody tells you in the comment section, you won, text this, email this, it's all fake. I will never, ever, ever do that in the comment section like that. I will always make a live video with my face telling you your name that you won. So if you don't see this telling you that you won, it's a scam, and report it. Thank you very much. Play safe. Good luck, everybody. So that's it, everybody. Good luck. Thank you, Mars. I love you. I hope to continue to grow with you for a long time to come. And if you two want to continue to grow with Mars Hydro and love them like I do, you can use my name right up here as a code. This is a general code. Whenever there's not a sale, if you need something, use my name as a code, man. Save yourself a couple of bucks. It helps the channel grow. It helps everybody save some money. It's a good thing. It's a win-win situation. Thank you very much, everybody. Don't forget to like this video if you do like these kinds of videos, and subscribe if you're not already so you can enter that contest. And I'll see you guys real soon on the next live stream. Cheers.